Intoxalock ignition interlock devices are extremely easy to use once you get the hang of them. When you are ready to start your vehicle, make sure to blow into the device before putting your keys into the ignition. Simply press the button and wait for the screen to read blow. Blow into the mouthpiece on the device with medium intensity. Without removing your lips from the mouthpiece, inhale through the mouthpiece like you are sucking through a straw, and immediately blow into the device again until you feel a vibration. If the screen on your device reads Start Car, you can insert your keys into the ignition and start your vehicle.
Throughout the duration of your ignition interlock lease, you will have scheduled calibration appointments at your service center location. Calibrations are required by the state, so it's important to complete your calibration by the due date to avoid service interruption. Your handheld will start counting down to your service date. You will also receive an email or text letting you know that your calibration is coming up. You can place the calibration order through My Account or by texting us if you have enrolled in our text messaging program. Next, call your service center to schedule your appointment. There is no need to call Intoxalock. At your calibration appointment, the service center technician will remove your handheld and will test the device to ensure your device is accurately measuring alcohol. The process typically takes 3 to 5 minutes, and your service center will charge a minimal fee for the service provided.
If you notice a countdown on your device and a prompt that says lockout, service required, your device is in need of immediate servicing. Your handheld device may display a number of days left to service your vehicle. A lockout can be caused by many things, including a missed calibration, too many failed startup attempts, failed rolling retests, missed rolling retests, or suspected tampering. You will first need to identify what caused the lockout by reading the message on the handheld. If it was a missed calibration, you will have to complete the calibration at your service center.
If the lockout was caused by a state-regulated violation, you may be able to unlock it in My Account.
This additional testing is required by the state. Your device will beep when a retest is required. Even though the beep is quite loud, it's a good idea to keep your radio volume fairly low and windows up so you don't miss it. You are required to provide a breath sample anytime the device asks you for a retest, but it's also important that you do so safely. Most states will allow 4 to 6 minutes to provide the retest. This will allow you to find a safe time to provide a breath sample. If you are unable to find a safe time to provide a sample while driving, you can pull off to the side of the road.
When your lease is close to expiring, check in with your monitoring authority to make sure that your device is okay to be removed, or if you need to extend your lease. Your monitoring authority could be a probation officer, DOT official, or the ordering judge or court. If you're eligible to remove, think about transferring your device to voluntary status. Intoxalock offers special pricing to those who decide to keep their device installed without a requirement. We are able to do this because we are no longer required to provide reporting to the state or to monitoring authorities.